Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can share an Instagram post to others. So in order to do this, simply access that particular post that you want to share. So for now, I'm using my own post. So here you can see this is the post right here. Now you need to click on this icon of the send. Click on the send icon and simply choose the recipients to whom you want to send. You may also choose multiple recipients if you want to. So here you can see I have selected this recipient, and you may also write a custom message if you want. So for example, I'm writing, so here you can see that I have written my custom message, and just click on the send button right here. And once you have done that, you may check it out by going to your messages. Once you go here, you can see that the chat has now received your post that you have sent them. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.